So today I'm going to show you how I turned this Dollar Tree ornament into a Bedazzled Grinch one. So you're going to need the ornaments from Dollar Tree. I think it was a 7-pack. I'm going to use this one ornament and I'm going to use a green acrylic marker to paint it green. I believe I got this from Hobby Lobby or Michael's, but they do have some in Amazon. I think they all work just about the same. So we're just going to go ahead and paint it. And halfway through, I let it dry a little bit so I could do the top. So the next part is going to draw the heart. Bear with me, guys. I'm not as artistic as I used to be, so my heart is a little loopy, but I'm using a red acrylic marker for this part here, and it's how it turns out. So we're going to move forward to the rhinestones. I'm using a mixture of rhinestones between the sizes of 2M and 5M, with my main stone being 5M. And I'm going to do an outline first. And as I'm doing the outline, I'm trying to clean up how terrible my heart looks. So you're going to see me kind of like go a little bit towards the outer skirt of the heart. And I'm going to go ahead and start filling it in. I'm just going to work my way around and then into the middle. I feel like I shouldn't have made the heart so big, but then again, I feel like it came out pretty good. And there's always room for, growth. So this is only one of 7 ornaments, and I can't wait to show you what I come up with. But yep, and this is how it turns out. So the next part is going to be the green. I'm using this, I don't know what color this is. I'm gonna call it Grinchy green. When I figure out the color, I'll post it in the comments. But we're just gonna go in a circular motion. So I'm starting from the top and I'm working my way towards the bottom. I'm not using any specific pattern. I'm just going around. And if I need a filler stone, I am going to use one. The smallest size I used was a 3M. But for the most part, I use mainly the 5M rhinestone. And the purpose of coloring the ornament beforehand was so that you see how those little cracks are showing through, so that it makes it less visible with the rose gold color that I had previously. So with that being said, you're just going to continue to go around in a circle until you see fit. Now you want to make sure that you do take a break in between doing the top and the bottom of the ornament, so that this way the rhinestones set in place. I did wait about 30 minutes before I proceeded towards the bottom, and I made sure my lines were as straight as possible because that matters at the end. But they did come out a little loopy, and I think it was because of the heart. But yeah, just make sure you take your time and also take a break to let the rhinestones dry, because of the shape of this item. It's like kind of weird, so you got to set it up a certain way. So I set mine up upside down on like a Starbucks lid. But here is towards the bottom. As I stated before, mine came out a little loopy because of the heart was a little weird. So I just used a filler stone as I continue to go around in a circle. And it kind of worked out better than I anticipated. But I love how like the background is just so like Grinchy, even with the color. I believe it's emerald. I'm not even sure. But yeah, I'm just applying my last rhinestones, and here is how it turned out. I love it. I do wish I would have made the heart smaller. Maybe I'll do it in another video, but let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you think I should do next. And always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.